In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the top ways to deal with today's steady stream of information to avoid information overload. In today's hectic digital world, we are overloading ourselves with knowledge. We think we're productive, yet we are paralyzed in a state of inaction due to information overload. When you begin to experience information overload, here are 4 things you can do to get yourself back on track. Restrict who you follow. Rather than becoming paralyzed from not knowing which expert to follow, take the time to find just one expert that you respect. Choose someone that you want to emulate, someone you admire. While no one person has all the answers, accept that the person you are following used their tactics to find success. By cutting out the noise and only following 1 or 2 experts' teachings and opinions, it will clear up a lot of strife. Get some distance. When you start to conduct research online, it can be difficult to untangle yourself from the information you've obtained. Instead of trying to figure out what to do with all the information right now, take a step back. Try taking a walk or focus on something else for a time. Changing direction when you're struggling with information overload will give you a new perspective. Go on an information cleanse. The purpose of an information cleanse is to reset your current relationship with information and begin to shift it from consumer-based to a creator. Take some time away from absorbing new information. This includes anything that might seem irrelevant. Put yourself in a position where your only option is to create or act upon the knowledge that you already possess. Stop compulsively learning. There is such a thing as too much of a good thing. Even before you step into the office, you're already on the verge of overload thanks to the internet and social media. Stop taking in any piece of information that you can get your hands on and only learn what you need to know to get you to the next step. Information overload is the enemy of your productivity. It doesn't matter how high the quality of information that you're absorbing if you don't take action on it right away. You get to choose whether you're going to be a smart information consumer or a frivolous one, wasting your precious time and energy on too much information.